Hey stylettes and divas, let's get into this quick and easy festive and regal hairstyle. This hairstyle would truly work at any time of the year. I added snowflakes to play into the winter season. If you are looking for a style that will stun at your holiday party, thank me later. No, wait, actually you can thank me right now in the comments and in the subscription. So let's go ahead and get into this video. This style was inspired by the beautiful coily Tamara. I saw this on Pinterest and I was like, yeah, I gotta recreate this. We're gonna start by making our bang. I parted a triangle and began shaping it to my face. Next, we are going to section off our side pieces and start by parting our braids. We're going to start in a circular motion and creating a U shape. Going along the sides of my head, I created 3 U-shaped parts on each side. Before starting each braid, I'm using the Golden Sheet Scalp Guide to add some product, nutrients, and a light slip, and this oil is linked in my bio, so go get that. When you're doing your braid, you want to braid towards the scalp, so when you go to cross your braid, it lays easier. You also want to braid loosely so you can fluff the braid so it appears thicker and juicier, because I don't want no thin braid. Now you want to put your hair in a low pony and start creating the folded bun effect. You want to do this by splitting the pony into 2 horizontal sections. Fold the bottom section downward into itself and pin to secure in place, and do the same to the top layer. So now it's time to cross our braids. This is where I started to switch it up from coily Tamara. Instead of crossing the opposite sides on all 3 layers, I crossed the same sides on the top 2 layers and then crossed the opposite sides on the bottom layer. This was accidental. I tried Tamara's way first and I wasn't liking how it came out on my head. So I was just playing around and tried this way, and I ended up slaying it. I ended up really liking it. After I did my crisscross thing, I was ready to go ahead and start on my heatless curls. Tamara did add heat. I'm a heatless girly as of right now, so I use flexi rods. Using Talio YG mousse, I took 2 medium-sized rods on the top and 2 small ones on the bottom. Here is a quick lesson on flexi rods. You want to start at the bottom and curl underhanded, then crisscross the rods to secure, and boom, bow. You done. I did wrap my hair with a scarf. I feel that just set it off even more by laying down my flyaways and sleeking my edges. If you don't have time to sleep with a scarf, I suggest sitting under a hooded dryer to set the bun and the curls for at least 2 hours. And baby, those curls will come out beautiful. The curls on the sides were a little too tight for me, so I combed through so they can be looser. I am obsessed overall with how this hairstyle came out. I wore it for a week. It was lightweight, breathable, protective, and easy to manage. I would love to try some more creative style combos like this, like mixing braids, curls, ponytails. It was divine. It gave like an old school vibe, like I was a 50s pinup girl, and I'm obsessed. So obsessed, divas. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and comment, share for more videos. I will see y'all soon.